Check it out, guys. AdrianUnknown, coming to you from the river somewhere. Here with my family, my little dogger. Long Dog, come on. This is Long Dog. He's a mongrel. We found him in the streets and we saved him. I am now going to take a walk in the wilderness out here by the lake. One of the bigger lakes here in southern New Mexico. It's been a beautiful day. Been fishing out here with the family. As you can see, I've been here before and it's getting greener. It's getting way prettier to look at. I've got my snake stick and I've got some adult beverages. You know, it is Sunday, the day of the Lord. Gotta celebrate and shit. So, as always, I do have my snake stick because there's freaking snakes everywhere. A little thirsty. Let me crack this open. Do, do, do. Anyway, I am a big proponent of nature and flowers and things like that. Planting things. So today, if you know where this place is, I'm going to plant a papaya power cross. So this is a cross of Sin City Seed Company Blue Power, which is shit, I don't know. It's good stuff though. Forgot what I was talking about. But yeah, this is the place to be if you're some sort of a water bird. I'll show you why. Look at all this trash. And this is why I don't tell people where I'm at. This is why. Because y'all come out here and you like to fucking throw shit in the water. Be like, yo, it wasn't me. Whatever. People everywhere. It's not fun, it's not pretty. Ooh, water bird. As always, be vigilant where you step. There are rattlesnakes everywhere out here. Look at these little islands. You see that? You know what that needs? Plants. That one right there too. And look here, I'm all for planting plants and stuff, but what you don't see right now that is present ever are cows. Cows eat everything green. Everything. Which would like defeat my purpose. You know what I mean? Unless I'm planting over 1,000 seeds, I'm not gonna make a difference at all. You see this little ditch right here? It's actually pretty deep. This is where I kayaked from there up that way in one of my videos. There's so much water out here. So many big fish, I just can't catch any. How long, Doug? Wow, look at all those birds. Listen, it's like a cacophony. A symphony of birds. This is cool. I'm just gonna look around, guys. So this place, we can camp here. Like if we want to. We can totally just set up a tent wherever and do the damn thing. This is where I live. Well, not necessarily, but like, you know what I mean. It's like in the backyard. This is less than 1 hour away from where I actually live. My state is full of a bunch of cool stuff. Every once in a while you run into cool shit like this. But then again, you run into this. Don't be that guy. I have mine, but I'm gonna take mine with me. You know what I mean? Check this out. Ooh. I should have brought my kayak. I will next time. Look at this place. Just listen. Close your eyes and just listen.